Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms. As we come to the end of the gardening season in 2022, we want to show some of the products that were harvested from our garden for this year. We hope you will enjoy the product and you will watch to the end. We know that you appreciate our product and we appreciate our effort in gardening and providing food for mankind. We had a bountiful harvest this year. We harvested things like okra, watermelon, bell pepper, green pepper, sweet pepper, green beans, and others. Watch for yourself.
Is fire now. The first bucket. The first bucket of these special peppers. I still have a lot on the plants. So hopefully I'll have a second bucket of these special peppers. After 3 months of hard work, see the final product of my hard work, a bountiful harvest. See my crops, a bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. A bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. Thank you for watching. 100% plus of organically grown tomatoes. With the final product, you see a tote full of very big, fat, healthy cucumbers, and here in this other tote, the medium size, petite fruits. Thank you for watching and happy eating.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to the farmer. Happy birthday to me. Gardening is good. Gardening is good. Let me tell you something. Some many people may look at me, they don't believe my age. The secret is gardening. No stress. When I get up in the morning, I visit my garden. When I come back from work, I visit my garden. So my garden is already part of me. And that's why some of us will live, will grow old because we have green fingers. When we come here, we release all the stress. We are happy seeing the plants grown, and everybody who can keep him or herself happy will certainly live longer. So this is my own way of making sure that I live longer, and even in my 80s, in my 90s, I will still be gardening. So please, what are you waiting for? Make sure you open your own small garden behind your house. You see, my garden is not too big, but then I'm still planting and I'm still going. So try to make sure that you make gardens and eat fresh vegetables. Know where your food is coming from. Thank you. Thank you.
The joy of being a farmer. Yes, the best time is harvesting time. Yeah, I'm at the Bangerman Organic Farm in Nebraska. Yeah, some of my collard greens that I've harvested this morning. I'm still to harvest more. I just wanted to send you this short video as a teaser, what we call a petit. See my crops, a bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. Bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. Thank you for watching. 100% plus of organically grown tomatoes. The joy of being a farmer. Yes, the best time is harvesting time. Yeah, I'm at the Banger Man Organic Farm in Nebraska. Yeah, some of my collard greens that I've harvested this morning. I'm still to harvest more. I just wanted to send you this short video as a teaser, what we call a BT. Preserve some in the fridge for future use. So thank you, Lord, for the energy. Thank you, Lord, for the know-how. Thank you, Lord, for the love. It's been a good year. I'm happy that I have a bountiful harvest. See the fire now. The first bucket. First bucket of these special peppers. I still have a lot on the plants, so hopefully I'll have a second bucket of these special peppers. After 3 months of hard work, see the final product of my hard work, the bountiful harvest. Thank you for watching.
That was it, fans, from the African Diaspora Gardeners. See you soon.